Good morning, everybody. And I am Payal, and she is Tanu, and he is Manoj. And today we are showing an act about a doctor and patient and receptionist. I am a doctor, and he is a patient, and she is a receptionist. So let's start. We are going to show you our act. Okay. So start.
Come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. I want to meet doctor.
Okay. So tell me your detail.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Manoj.
Age?
Age 21.
Where are you from?
Delhi. I'm from Delhi. Sorry.
Okay. Sir, please pay money.
How much pay money?
200.
Okay.
Sir, take your slip and wait for seat.
Okay, ma'am. I will wait.
Okay.
After 10 minutes. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What is the problem?
Ma'am, I have problem fever and cold. Yeah.
Let me see. Do you have a cough also?
Yes, ma'am. Especially I at night could not at night because of it.
Okay, so you check your fever yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. I have fever 102 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so let me check again. So take take a thermometer and put it on your under your tongue and wait 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, so give me thermometer. So you have a fever. So you have any other problem?
No, ma'am. No, any another problem.
Okay, so you have a cough, fever, and cold. So don't worry, it's a normal, and I give you some medicine, and you take this medicine twice in a day for 5 days. After 5 day, you will come, and I will check it again. So you take the have given you some medicine, and you take thrice in a day for 5 days, and after 5 days you will come again, and I will check it, and it's a normal, not a big problem, and you don't take any food like oily and fast and junk food. You only eat homemade food. So don't worry, and you can go now and take a rest. Okay, so
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I can go.
yes, you can go now.
Hello everyone. We are here to today we are here to do an act about the conversation between a patient and a doctor. And this is my team. She is Seema. She is playing the act of a patient, and he is Nikhil. He is playing as a receptionist, and I am in this act. I am playing as a doctor. Let's start the conversation. Thank you.
May I come in?
Yes. Speak loud. Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you?
I am not well. I want to meet doctor.
Okay. So, tell me your details. What is your name?
Seema,
Age?
47.
Okay. So, take your token and please wait for 2 minutes.
Okay.
They are not come. Please go outside.
Hello, doctor.
Hello.
One patient is here.
After 2 minutes.
Please send her.
After 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. You can go now. Room number 4.
Hello.
Hello.
Good
Hello.
morning.
How are you?
I am not well.
Okay.
I am suffering from fever, and last night I go to party. There I eat junk food.
Did you check your fever?
Yes, in morning 101 Fahrenheit.
Okay.
In fever.
Did you had a proper sleep at night?
No, I don't proper sleep.
Are you feeling nausea?
Yes, I feeling nausea.
Okay. I'm writing some medicines here. You have to take this for 2 days, and after that you come to meet me and tell me about your health. Okay, and till then you don't have to worry more. You take a proper rest and take a light and easily digestible food, and avoid too much of junk food and and the things which is heavy to digest. Okay, and the rest is must. You didn't had a proper rest last night, that's why I think you had this nausea, vomiting, and all the things. And after 2 days please meet me. Okay,
Okay.
do you have any more question?
No.
Okay, take this slide.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, that's all about our act.